how to spot hazards like a pro, even before they become dangerous. Hey there, it's Ed here, and welcome back to Ray Driving Theory channel. If you are new here, we help you pass your test and feel confident behind the wheel. And don't forget, we've got a free app that covers everything from theory questions to hazard clips. Just search for Ray Driving Theory Test app. If you are preparing for your driving test, this video is going to show you exactly how to handle the hazard perception test and get the best results possible. What is hazard perception test? In the second part of your theory test, you will watch 14 video clips, each one from the driver's view. Here's how it works. Each clip has at least one situation where you would need to slow down, stop, or steer. One of these clips has two hazards, just to keep you sharp all the way through the test. Your job is to click as soon as you see anything that could affect your driving. The earlier you spot it, the more points you score, up to 5 points per hazard. It's not about reacting like in a game, it's just about spotting real danger before it becomes a problem. On your hazard perception test, you can score 75 points out of 14 videos. To pass it, you need to score 44, and I will show you how you can get it done. So, what do you need to look for? You're looking for anything that would make you change your speed or direction. For example, a child near the edge of the pavement, a vehicle pulling out from a side road, a cyclist drifting into your lane, or a car braking sharply. When you would slow down, steer, or stop in a real life, that's when you need to click. If you're learning to drive in the UK, hit that subscribe button. We've got new lessons and tips every week. And by the way, we also have the Ray Driving Theory Test app. It has DVSA mock tests, hazard clips, and everything you need to pass your theory test. Here's what works really well, the 3-click method. When I had to do my theory test, this is what I've done. So when I see something that might become a hazard, I click once. If it starts becoming a hazard, I click again. And sometimes the third click to cover the full scoring window. You only get marked for the best timed click. So even if you clicked and scored 5, 3, and 1, you still will be marked the 5 points. So the highest scoring click will be marked down as your score for the video. This gives you the best chance to land in the scoring window without clicking like mad. Just don't spam click. That could get you 0 for the whole clip. Let me show you how exactly that looks in the app. Okay, so we have a little bridge ahead of us, so more likely something's gonna go on there. So the first vehicle is way too far, so it does not affect me. There's another vehicle coming in. I think about now. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now there potentially can be 2 hazards, so I need to stay sharp and make sure there's nothing else going on in this video. No one's coming from the side. There's a bend, looking ahead as far as possible. Signs, another bridge. Isn't even coming out. No. Okay. Okay, that's not an issue as well. Oh yes, 5 points. So, 3-click method. Let's now review it, because brilliant. So I clicked exactly at 5, 4, and 3 points at this occasion. And I still got my highest score as 5 points per video. And there was no other hazards in this clip, like, okay, that's good. That train is a little bit distracting, but okay. So that's the way it would look. Okay, let's go for another one. So I'm looking at the vehicles on the other side of the road. That's not an issue. There's another vehicle coming. It's all good. Side road, anyone at the side road. So I think 1, 2. There was no hazard, but I will not be marked down because I didn't click too much. So there's a pedestrian walking. Red vehicle. Pedestrian is not an issue. Side road. Cyclist. Cyclist was an issue. I clicked again because I felt he was a little bit too close to the cyclist, overtaking the cyclist. And with the roundabout, do we have an issue? No, he's already slowing down. Yes, 5 out of 5. Brilliant. So let's review it again. So yes, if we look at the video, can I scroll it? Yes. So these two, there was nothing there. So red flags, green flags, that was the moment when the cyclist was. So I reacted very well at that moment. And again, I scored the 5 out of 5. Brilliant. Well done. I absolutely love that you can just review it, look back at it. You can see the scoring window and you can learn and reflect yourself how you can improve your hazard awareness skill for the test itself. So the app is absolutely brilliant in that way, nice and easy. So I don't really need to watch the whole video. I can nicely scroll past it and see the spot where it happened and reflect on myself. So the practice makes it perfect. Let's try another one. Okay, let's again look. There's car coming towards the junction. That's not an issue. They're way too far. There's pedestrian on the right side. There's pedestrian there. Pedestrian on the left. Any side roads further up. There's the vehicle coming. Not an issue. Vehicle from the right, L plate. 1, 2, 3. Yes. And the learner stalled. It happened. We all stalled when we were learning to drive. And not only then, even now. Okay. Is there any other issues in this clip? He's signaling. I don't think so. That's a second hazard. No. Brilliant. Again, 5 out of 5. I'm actually good at this. Next video. So let's try to do a little bit different method. It is still 3-click method, but I will try to click for potential hazards, because I don't get marked down if I don't click too much. So, do we have anything? A junction. Oh, people. I think I should have spotted them a little bit earlier, shouldn't I? I don't think so. I'm gonna get 5 points for this. So I did click earlier, I clicked later. And I actually clicked at the moment when I had to slow down. So yeah, so I got 2 points. So still, even I was a little bit late with the hazard itself, I didn't see it early enough, I scored 2 points. So throughout the test, then if we can maximize the points we score, it increases our chances to be able to pass it. Let's talk about spam clicking. So if we do click too many times on the video, we will just get 0 points. So let's have a look how that would look like. I go, oh, I think there's gonna be hazard. I think there's gonna be hazard. So I clicked already 4 times. Gonna click again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your reaction to this video is unacceptable. So 10 clicks and it was in a sort of a pattern, one after another. So we can't cheat on this test. The system will flag you and give you 0 points for the video. Yes, so 0 points and 10 misclicks in total. Use the app to practice. The Raid Driving Theory Test app gives you DVSA-style hazard clips, instant feedback, replay mode to review your clicks, and shows exactly when the scoring zone opens and closes. Practice 2 or 3 clips a day and your reaction time will get better without even thinking about it. If you're learning to drive in the UK, hit that subscribe button. We've got new lessons and tips every week. And don't forget, the Raid Driving Theory Test app has everything you need to pass the first time. And the last thing, mistakes to avoid. Here are the most common mistakes you need to avoid on your hazard perception test. Clicking too early. Oh. And I think all these cars is going to be a hazard. I'm clicking too early. There's nothing actually happening. Oh, it was the cyclist. Mistake clicking too late. Clicking too many times. It's gonna get flagged. Instead, use 3-click method. Trust your instinct. Practice regularly and don't panic on your test day. 3-click method. Pedestrian, not an issue. Side road. 1, 2, and 3. Hey, 5 out of 5. Use the 3-click method. Okay, let's recap. Click when something would make you slow down, stop, or steer. Use the 3-click method. Practice using the app and watch how your timing improves with every clip. The system rewards awareness, a good timing, not guessing. Practice makes it perfect, and now you know exactly what to look for. If this helped you, drop a like and tell us in the comments how you are preparing for your theory test. Thanks for watching the Right Driving Theory channel. Good luck out there, and I'll see you on the next one.